Hello, everyone. My name is Kelvin Ng Chu Ken, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. In my video 95, it's actually a continuation from my video 94, where I'm going to tell you how do you present your data effectively so that it will attract your audience. But this time, I'm not using a chart. I'm using cell number formatting with icon. So that's the cool thing about it with icon. Of course, we can use something called conditional formatting with icon, but I'm going to show you how to do it with cell number formatting. All right, let's take a look at what I mean. So let's go into the data. The data says, now I have a set of January data over here, and usually we have another one February. So we want to know what is the difference between the February sales data and the January sales data. So we have February versus January. So in this example, I use whatever that is in February minus whatever in January. So there's no big deal about the formula, just number. And what happened here is because I'm using random number, this number will keep on changing. Now, what I'm going to do is, if you want to sell this or you want to show this in your report, you will notice something that is not easy to identify which are the good number, which are not the good number. So I'm going to make all the positive number blue and all the red to be the negative number. If let's say there is a drop in sales, I want it to be in red color. Not only that, I'm going to have an icon of a triangle pointing up if it's a positive value and a triangle pointing down if it's a negative value. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write the formatting here so that you can see it clearly first. So the number cell formatting divides into positive, negative, and neutral value. But I'm going to show you how to do the positive and the negative values. So I'm going to start with a square bracket, which I'm going to put in the color. I'm going to put there color 23, which is a set of blue color, which is not a fluorescent blue color, but it's a very much matured blue color. And because of that, I'm going to use also the what do you call that, the triangle that is pointing up. So I'm going to press down listen carefully, Windows dot to pull out the emoji, and I'm going to type ARROW, and you will see the arrow that you can use. I'm going to use this arrow pointing upwards. Okay, then I'm going to put there an asterisk space. Now, what does the asterisk space do is that the asterisk means multiply the space. Now, in this example, what happened is all the icon will be on the left and the number will be on the right. So the number is going to be the normal hash, comma, hash, hash, 0. That's it. That's our first formatting for the positive number. And in cell number formatting, the separation between the positive and negative number is a semicolon. So I'm going to use a semicolon. Now I'm going to put there red. Okay. And I'm going to use the icon pointing down. So Windows dot. Okay, I'm going to do a Windows dot now, Windows dot, and I'm going to type ARROW, arrow. See, I type an arrow here, and they show me an arrow. I'm going to replace the arrow with a downward, and I'm going to put an asterisk space. Now, don't need this anymore, asterisk space. Then I'm going to put hash, comma, hash, hash, 0. Now, of course, I forgot something. This is going to be a negative value. I'm going to put a bracket around it so that it shows that this is a negative value. All right, so looks like I'm done. Just going to copy this. Okay. I'm going to highlight all this number that will be affected later. Go to the format cell, go to the custom, and replace the formatting. So just replace this formatting. Okay, there you go. Do you notice all the icons are on the left and the numbers are on the right? So whenever it turns red, it means this is a decline in sales. The sales drop in February compared to January. All right, so I hope you like this video. Everyone who actually prepare their report, they have to compare with the previous month or the previous quarter or the previous year. So how do you make sure that when you present it, the person who is reading your report understand this within seconds? When they see the icons and they see the red, they know that these are actually the sales decline, or shall I say drop, and either the sales improve or drop. So I hope you like this video, and please, there are a lot of people out there who need this kind of information, this kind of solution. Please share it with them. If you know any one of them, please tell them about this video 95 and like and share it to as many people as possible. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much and see you soon.